Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you on your TCL TV how to fix the issue where of course your YouTube app is not working on your TCL TV. So if you have a TCL TV and the YouTube app is not working, I'm going to show you how you can go about fixing that problem. Alright, so stay tuned. Now of course go ahead and get your TCL remote. It doesn't have to be the exact remote or the exact looking TV, it can be slightly different, alright? So straight away guys, if the YouTube app is crashing, as you can see here, we have the YouTube app. So if it simply constantly crashes, not working, I'm gonna show you to fix it. All right, so straight ahead guys, go all the way up. You're gonna go over. All right, so you're gonna go into the settings menu and see in here. Now of course guys, you're gonna go into the options here, that there's the gear icon, and you're gonna select the gear icon for all settings. Now once you're in here, usually the instinctive thing is to go to apps and then find the YouTube app, but of course it's a little bit different. So instead you're going to go into the option here that says system. So once you go into system, you're going to go to storage. Once you go to storage here, you're going to see the internal storage. So you're going to internal storage, then you're going to go to your apps, and of course you're going to see all apps. And once you see all apps, you're going to search for the options here, and you're going to go to the YouTube app. So go ahead and select YouTube. Once you're here guys, notice it gives you the option here to clear data and clear cache. Now of course what you're going to do here is just go ahead and clear the option that says clear data. But before you clear anything guys, go ahead and make sure that you know your YouTube password, especially if you're on an account that you are logged into. Make sure that you know the password, as you'll be logged out. So go ahead and hit clear data, and of course you can go ahead and clear cache as well. Now cache is a temporary files, but of course by clearing data it will clear everything. But just in case it's not cleared, go ahead and clear cache too, or just clear cache first and then clear data. I'm not going to do it on this, I'm showing you how to do it there. So go ahead and select OK. All right, so once you're finished here, you're going to go back to your home screen, and of course you're going to try to relaunch the app. Now if it doesn't work, what I suggest you do is to restart the TV, and once you restart the TV, you're going to come back again. And another thing that you can try is to go ahead and uninstall the app itself, and once you uninstall the app, you're going to reinstall it. Now just in case you do not know how to uninstall the app, you simply go back to settings, but this time you're going to go to apps, I think, if I'm remembering correctly. Then you're going to see all apps. You're going to go to YouTube, and if it's not a system app, meaning that it's installed directly onto your device and cannot be uninstalled. In some cases it cannot be on some devices, but in most cases you might see uninstall the app. So go ahead and uninstall the app. For this particular device, it came installed as a default app, so it cannot be uninstalled. So at best you'll only see uninstall updates. You can uninstall the updates, you can go back, then you can relaunch or go to the App Store. App Store this time will be here. You're gonna search for YouTube, unless it is cannot be uninstalled, which case you'll go ahead and relaunch. It will say it needs to update, then go ahead and update it and update it to the latest version. Again, reboot your device, and once you come back up, it should be able to work. Now of course those are the key things you usually do in order to get the YouTube app up and running, and of course that should be able to fix most of the problems that you're having. And remember as well, you have other options too, such as YouTube Kids, all it's limited to kids stuff. Or of course you could always try a workaround. Another workaround would be to go to your browser. So for example, search for your web browser. Let me see, on this particular device there should be a web browser, and the web browser in this case will be another workaround. So just in case those are not working and you have no other resort, you're going to go all the way down. Here we go. So this says browser or browse here. Go ahead, launch that and go straight to YouTube, and you can watch You can watch your YouTube videos directly in your browser through going to youtube.com directly and playing your videos from the browser itself. The only other way you could get around that otherwise would be to get some other form of YouTube app that would be in apps here, or some third party apps, like getting a light version of YouTube or some modified version, but be careful with those. But of course, I've outlined the easier methods to get you up and running, to fix the issue, or at least get YouTube working again for you if you're on a TCL TV. If this was useful to you at all, please let me know in the feedback and the comments. And as always, guys, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.